Hey, what's up, guys? This is going to be a different type of video. This is going to be a quick video. Um, Long story short, one of my best friends in this entire world, and one of my biggest, if not the biggest supporter in anything and everything I do, uh, has sent me a early birthday present. I haven't been posting too many videos because I've been having a lot of problems with my computer. Um, It crashes all the time. Uh, my graphics card is just dying, powering off. Everything else is running, then it powers off, then the whole system crashes. I thought it was the power supply, wasn't. I tried some other things, eliminated some other issues, but the graphics card is just no good. So my good friend and biggest supporter wanted me to continue making videos, so he bought me a new computer. We have a MSI Codex Z2. It's got a Ryzen 7. It's got the 8700F. It's got the RTX 5060, 2 terabyte PCIe 4.0 NVMe drive. 16 gigabytes DDR5. I think it's at 6,000 megahertz. Yeah. So we're just gonna do a really quick unboxing. It's hard to find a proper way to do this in the area. I don't want to have to like do it way over there and then bring it back. So we're just gonna do it right here. I just threw a table over here, and we're just gonna unbox it. It's exciting. It's going to allow us to get back to making videos and to play games. So, let's see. The first thing we have are cords. Cords in the Wi-Fi. Well, power cord in the Wi-Fi. I don't know what you call it. Unit. We got some foam. Oh, it's in a case. The case itself is in the case. Just some information about making sure you take out the expanding foam out of the case before you turn it on. And I don't know how we're going to do this because I really don't have room to stand up without making it weird. But it's got a case with a handle and some foam. It also comes with this MSI mouse and keyboard that we'll show you in a second. Okay, box is empty. Get this out of the way. This is actually the only second time I've ever bought well, I didn't buy it, but used a pre-built computer. Oh damn, they give this to you on its side? It's not even. That was the bottom, right? Nice. It's just a simple tempered glass case. It's got some LED RBG fans on the front here. So the glass is tempered and it's not broken, which is good. Last time I got a case, it was broken. Glass. They ask you to remove this so you don't turn on the computer and mess it up. But no sag in the card. We're gonna have to do something about this air cooling, but other than that, interesting here. I thought it said that it had two 8 gig sticks of RAM. I haven't built a computer in a long time. Do they make 16 gigabit sticks of RAM, or am I missing one? We'll find out. But here we go. It's the inside. Got the RTX 5060. Hopefully it's the 5060 because I don't see anything on there. I feel like it looks really small for the 5060, but we will check and see. Let's get it set up. So, almost forgot that I was going to show you the keyboard and the mouse, which we won't use, although I could use it for my setup, my stream setup for my consoles, because I don't use the same area. I use a old poopy computer. But we're gonna pull this out and take a look anyways. Oh, wireless. That's actually perfect. Or is it not wireless? Is this wireless? Or does it just have separate cords? Anyways, it's actually not that bad. A little quiet for my liking, but the presses actually feel good. It's a small one. It's not bad. Not bad. Man, my lighting is awful. So this is a Forge GK110. Not bad, not bad. So it does have wires. It's just a USB-A to USB-C. I've never seen a keyboard like that. And this is just a wired mouse. It's got a braided cable. Clicks feels good. It's got 2 buttons in the center, usually for adjusting mouse sensitivity. Scroll feels good. Click feels good. And then it does have 2 side buttons, so not bad. Very nice. All right, we got the PC all hooked up, and it is time. Booting up. We got colors. We got colors in the front, and we have nothing going on yet. Here we go. First boot. We're going to be installing Windows. So we've got a new computer that's going to run well. It's a lot better than our old computer. It's a lot faster, which means hopefully we can do a really good job with the videos. So once again, thank you, Dominic. Appreciate you. You've always been a big support in everything I've ever done, and I appreciate it. I love you, and thank you guys for watching.